Hi guys, it's Nunu and we're here. My week 6 greeting from Nunu. You are viewing and listening to this video. Before I get into what we're doing this week, let me remind you that I have ConferZoom and office hours in General Classroom Building 210D, 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays except for holidays. And I'm also available to you here in inbox. You're never bothering me when you email me. I love to hear from you. Anything I can help you with regarding our class, I'm right here. Okay, so we are in week 6 in modules. Flash Fiction 1. I'm so excited. I can't wait to read what you come up with. I put our little window motif or our symbol here that you're taking me into the story as a reader. You're taking all of us into the story, your story as a reader. Flash Fiction 1, you can write a short story of not more than 300 words, a poem or a scene from a screenplay, whatever you want to do. And I can't wait to read it. Our assignment, Flash Fiction 1, is in modules. You can click on this link here in the left menu. Modules is our Bible. As you know, it contains all of our readings and assignment directions. Or, of course, you can use this handy link right here, week 6, and I'm going to click on it to take us into it. Okay, and yes, it takes me into our to-do list for week 6, March 11th through 17th, 2019, Flash Fiction 1. I'm going to click on this assignment and show it to you. I have a video here about it, and I discuss this whole assignment in this video, so you'll want to click on this here. Okay, I'm going to take us back into home. Whoops, I thought I was taking us back into home with the back arrow. Let me try it one more time. Here I am. We're back into home, and I just want to reassure you that don't worry about what you write, what you come up with. I'm a completely supportive, lifelong reader, and my purpose is to help you, to realize your potential as a writer. Okay, and again, I'm very excited because of all those great first stories I read in which you used biography. All right, let's have a fun week.